Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Lenonje Beauty. If you love natural hair care and styling tips, make sure to hit the notification bell. In today's video, I will be showing you how to achieve flawless natural twists without using water. Many of us are used to dampening our hair before twisting. But did you know that dry twisting has its own benefits? Yes, it helps retain length, reduces shrinkage, and gives a more defined, fuller look, as you're gonna see it in this video. If you are ready to learn this technique, keep watching. I am sectioning the hair for easy styling and breaking each into smaller parts as I go. This helps me to save time while twisting. I love using black curl gel because it gives a smooth bouncy finish without a build-up. Let's twist. Take a section, split it into two, and start twisting from the root. Keep a firm and gentle grip, twisting all the way to the end. For extra definition, wrap up the end for a beautiful look. If you are in Kampala, you can get this black curl gel from Afros and Mo. It's located on Buganda Road, Mukwano Courts building, right after the Central Police Station, or at their other branch in Marigold Heights, Bukoto. If you are in the USA or Canada, let me know in the comment section. I will share the contact number with you. You can see how neat my twists are. Even though the hair isn't very long, I have achieved long, full and bouncy twists without using water. If you are new here, please subscribe for more videos. And if you subscribed already, give this video a like, share and leave your comment in the comment section.